Hello, I'm Matthew Stillwell. Today I'm going to be taking you through groove 3 of page 27 from box number 1 of the Hot House Drumming curriculum. I'm going to play it at slow speed and then I'm going to play it at faster speed for you. Here's the slow speed. There you go, that's the slower speed of groove 3. I'm now going to build up the tempo a little bit so you can hear it at faster speed. There you go, that was groove 3 from page 27 of books 1 for the Hot House Drumming curriculum.